Hey everyone, it's Ben and I've found this olive python. Doesn't look like it's in very good shape, unfortunately. But these guys, they'll grow to around about 6 metres, and you'll find them in rocky environments like this where they'll feed on rock wallabies. They'll also take lots of small goannas and frogs, cherubin that are in the water, and of course any bird nests that they can get into. We can tell that this one's not very healthy because you can see it's quite skinny as well, and his eye scales are actually fairly cloudy, so that's a sign of an animal that's not very healthy. This one's around about 3 metres, so not big on the 6 metre scale, but certainly big enough. Amazing looking animal. I know it's a python because you can see the size of that head. See how much wider that head is than the rest of the body. And that's a classic sign for Australian pythons. They'll have that much broader head. And of course these are a constrictor. So when they find their food, they'll wrap them up in the coils in their body, and just gradually they'll squeeze the breath out of them until they subdue them, and then they can eat them and they swallow them whole. Beautiful find today.